Hey, this is Joe and I'm at the shop. I've been abusing my Exmark Metro 48" all week. I've been clearing brush. I've been running over stuff up to 1/2 inch thick. It's been really dry here in Georgia. It kicks up a lot of dust. The mower's really dirty, and I just wanted to share with you what I do when I'm done cutting grass and I'm putting it up for the weekend. First thing I'll do is I'll pull the cover off the belts and inspect them and grease the pulley. Next, I'm going to take an air hose to it and clean the top of the deck off and around the engine and down through the cooling fins in the engine. A little shot of grease on this idler right here because I usually don't pull the cover off unless I have to. Of course, we don't want to forget cleaning out the air cleaner and dusting that off. It has a quick disconnect right here. This comes right off. Pull this out. And put this back together. You see how quick and easy that was? Regular routine maintenance. Keep your air cleaner clean. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the blades off and dress them up a little bit because I'm sure they're all nicked up from what I've been doing to it. See my video on sharpening blades with the RGB 712. Oh, pretty significant nicks in them. You can see we got some pretty good nicks in them, so we're gonna put the edge back on these. As you can see from my new blade sharpener, we're gonna go ahead and put this thing back together real quick. Put the blades on it. Well, I got my mower all put to bed, cleaned up, got the blade sharpened, got all the junk out of it. It's ready to go for next week. If you find this interesting, if you find this educational, if you find it kind of boring, let me know. If you like it, subscribe, support the channel, and we will see you on the next video.